so, 91 miles an hour. So Kendall moving in for fine facing Dalton Giroux. A 1688 on the board for Dalton. Well, that's going to go to Kevin Klaus. Kevin Klaus going on to the final against Kendall Freed. We'll see that up here very, very shortly. Kendall Freed in the Napa lane. 14:58's been the dial all day for him. 11:55 for Kevin Klaus. He's been on it all day as well. These guys are regular drag racers. Should cut good lights. We'll see. Gambler final. To Kendall Freed, your winner 2 times today, 14.60, 89 miles an hour for Kendall Freed. He takes the round. And the gambler money, $150 cash, $300 in Castrol coin. We got a real nice bull bar now. Clean, Brett Nicolak's got the start the pace. He's got Siliker beside him. We go green, 20 laps, Victor. Inside fence, he had troubles too. Scott Shaw, Wayne Callahoo, all in on that. Ed Wiersma, Grant Rude,